Okay, continue material editor, and editor. Next thing is Frizz. You can see here the Frizz, make it large, more huge to see better. If you activate Frizz and make the amount of the Frizz 100%, you can see it's maintained the style of the, you cannot see here except that you render. It's maintained the style of the hair, and based on the root, it changed the direction of the tip because of this spline. This part is roots going along the tip. It means 0% of the root, 0% of the Frizz given to the root, and the root does not change the direction. And with the smooth fall off that, you can change this. You can hit Control and at any point. The smooth fall off is going 100% of this effect to the tip, and you can see that. If you render, you can see this is a Frizz effect. Interesting. Just change the direction of the hair based on your style. For example, I change the direction and style of this part, and again render. You can see based on the style of here, it changed the direction of the hair corresponding to the guides. Make it lower. Nice. With this, it has this Frizz in variation, any variation of that you want. The Frizz has a scale X and a scale 1 in its function, and you can control the, for example, scale in a Y, scale in X direction, and control the change direction of X and Y, changing X and Y. And amount is strength of the Frizz effect, overall strength of this. And you know the curve, you can load preset, and again with all these settings has a texture. You can control the Frizz effects with the texture. For example, I give a noise, again black and white code. For example, this dot, this box, make it higher number, more contrast in a black area, and make sure that it is 2D. If you bring it to the top in a black area, we don't have Frizz. You can see that it's straight forward. We don't have any Frizz. In a white area, we have 100% of the Frizz, and in the gray in between, you can see that. In a gray, in the black part here, we don't have. In a white area, we have, and in a gray in between, we have 50 half effect of Frizz. So you can control with the map. Okay, this is Frizz. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.